Hi, I'm Fritzi Gros-Daillon, and this afternoon we're discussing designing for what's next. One of the things about our homes is that we have taken a vacant space. We have taken a longitude and latitude. We have taken a place in this world, and we have created our home. Now, we didn't necessarily build it to begin with, but how we create our home and how we live in our home and the patterns of our lives is really what creates home for us. And as we're looking now at these remodeling and remodeling trends and the patterns of how we use what's in our home and how we move through it and around it, that really is what creates home for us. And as we're looking at our remodeling, then it also has an impact because we want to be able to continue to feel that safety and the best use of our space as well. Will we be expanding our family? Will we be contracting? Will we be including new folks? Are there going to be changes for us in our physical capabilities? Are there things that we can anticipate we might want to change? Things that we think might happen? And things that we don't anticipate but we've seen as a witness. The other part about remodeling too is financing. So for remodels that we're doing, are we saving to do a remodel? Have we been saving for a long time? Are we looking at other kinds of financing choices? And this will come later when we start to talk about the budget. But how are we going to finance that project? And we can do it any number of ways. Reverse mortgage, credit cards if you want the mileage, lots of ways to do that. But that's also a part of how we're beginning to think about this remodel. Other pieces include impact on energy savings. So are we, for example, now going to be looking at windows to reduce energy costs? Impact on our neighborhood and property values. How will this remodel be affected? Are we going to be too fancy for our neighborhood? Is our neighborhood now at a place where lots of homes are being remodeled and we want to be able to have a marketable home in that neighborhood? Another part of our remodel is the changing technologies. As we start to look at what the scope of the work is that we want to do, in fact, how is the new technology going to be applied? Are we looking at whole house systems for thermostatic controls, HVAC controls? Are we looking at from security points of view or integrated systems? Are there pieces of technology that we can apply on an individual basis and not in a whole house kind of a situation? In addition, our appliances are getting so smart. It's frightening what they can do for us. And we have to be able to be in a position to learn what the appliances can do for us too as well. Next is our needs and wants. So lastly, what is it that we really need to do in our remodel and what is it that we want to do? And where is the balance in that? And in fact, the list of needs and then the list of wants can be integrated, and it will become another part of when you're looking at budgeting and scope, which pieces you actually choose to do or not do.
Thank you for watching Designing for What's Next, brought to you by Collom Construction. I'm Braulio. Come check us out, www.collomconstruction.com.